she gave us an angel. Nti yadana subebre nyame nhyira yasan so wo se wa me ye ne sister wa ha ono so ne sister ye business ono so oye CEO of All My Hair Ghana ono so ha ono so mene mo asema na asema that's bebre. Thank you very much. But ye call next one na ye call Sarah. Yeah, omo aya ade bebre. Who coffee now so they are still to say baby or why a Electroland I bet me a got to fridge or microwave. Then would near my Nti pacho ya wa gifti afo wa hanom.
Eti gifti efo afo ono so oye kunafo sister gifti pacho wo be pese wo be kan wa asem kakra tabe na wo say brief pacho man good afternoon pacho me kuna ti ibitamba mienu osusha so me and my aka me to nkosia na na aka na me de show the me say na ba ma na say say na mbra ne ya ba ye nti